the Vuvuzelas, some people hate them. And then some other people, the ones who have the Vuvuzelas particularly, they love them. Well, when you come to South Africa for 2010, you're going to hear a lot of music, as I was saying, particularly this kind of music. These, what you see there, are called Vuvuzelas. And the Vuvuzela is an instrument that has been identified completely with South African soca. You don't have soca without Vuvuzelas.
The Vuvuzela is made of high density polyethylene plastic. It is 62 centimeters long and it weighs 110 grams.
And this is how you blow it. You purse your lips and you blow it like a trumpet. You go, you blow a raspberry into the hole.
From the makers of the Vuvuzela to the rest of the world, see you in 2010!